Incredible sums to the account in a few hours of work, best dressed, fast cars. All of this describes the lifestyle of professional trader, and I can confirm it on my example. Here you are, paired with your new dream to become a professional trader. So you register your account, make investment, take your first trade and lose. But your dream is more than difficulties, and nothing could stop you from the way to become a trader. So you make another trade and lose again. You should quickly start learning the anthem of Soviet Union, because all you see is color red. In this video I will not tell you about the works of Karl Marx, but what I'll explain you is that how not to throw your investments into a trash bin. That scheme, strategy which allow you to earn stably and without any risk on trading, and finally lead you to financial independence. But why should I spend my time making this video, explaining you these strategies and let you win? The answer is simple. I am the leader of my trading community. There are already 17,000 subscribers in my open group who want to copy my free signals, master signals, and just share their impressions and knowledges. In a nutshell, it is the best place for you to improve yourself as a trader and start earning money. So click on the link below, subscribe, and of course write me in the personal messages. I will be happy to explain you about some details. The easiest thing to do is to copy my signals. So if you see a pair, you put it into a platform, follow the directions and take your profit. I hold 2 sessions a day and post 4 free signals for you to try, so you can be sure in their quality. Let's go to the main point. How I make so much money on the platform. I use a lot of different strategies, but today I want to share you my favorite, Aaron. Aaron indicator is the key factor without which the Aaron will not work. This is an extremely convenient indicator for tracking trend changes in the market. So if you see the red line above the blue line, that means downtrend and vice versa. And yeah, I'm using 1 minute time of expiration on this. At the precise moment we see that the blue line is above the red line, and is it at 100. So what does it mean? That means that it is at this maximum and we can safely put an up trade. It is very important to correlate the candlesticks and the indicators and not to be guided one by another. It will help you to avoid confusions and save you from losings. I highly recommend you to use one currency pair of 2 trades. After that, you have to change it to another currency pair, the pair of which seems you the most stable in the market. It is very important, guys. For example, as here we can see a sharp jump of green candles, and we look at the indicator. We see a pattern in the form of a blue that goes like a zigzag. So this tells us about coming downtrend, and looking at the red line also, which looks down at the angle of about 45 degrees and tells us the same thing. So put up, trade down. And now the explanation. I added another trade when I saw that my logic was confirmed. And don't be afraid to put up another trade, because that will lead you to the profit. But you have to be very convenient in what you're doing and have enough knowledge for this. As a result, we make a double profit and change our currency pair. The next pair, it is quite simple for you already, my loves. So we see a sharp jump of the red line over blue line, confidently downtrend. So bet down. Main advice I can give you in technical analysis is to use your brain. So you shouldn't trade at the random. You can be lucky and you can win one time or another, but sooner or later you'll lose your money anyway. What you should do is to stick to a working strategy and use it as much as possible. You have to hone your skills, and only then you can go to the plus side. Stick to the business. Our red line is still at the top, so we duplicate the trade and expect 100% of profit. You can see this is a pretty safe strategy using which you can make unlimited amount of money. So once again, the key point is to understand how the indicator works, which I explained earlier in this video, and also find the currency pairs with a low volatility. Receiving our profit, and see you in my Telegram channel. Bye bye!